How to fix the issue of folder access denied in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open File Explorer on your device. Then after from the left hand side menu of folder, simply go to this PC and in this PC you will see your local disk. Simply right click on the folder, go to Properties, go to Security and then click on Edit. Then after click on Add. Now here in this box of enter the name, simply write everyone and click on check name and OK. After that you will be able to fix your issue of folder access denied. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.